Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a video player on the Wix Harmony editor. Let's get started. Go to the Add button on the top left. Go to All and look for the video category. From here, you'll have different options. You can upload your own video, select a video from Wix's media library, or embed a video from these platforms. If you ever choose to use any of these platforms, a default video will be added once you add the video element. In order to change it, click on your video player and click on Replace Video on the action bar above. This small window will open, and from here, input the correct URL or the link of the video that you want to use. For a demonstration, I'll just use this one. And once you enter the link, the video will automatically update. Your changes will also automatically be saved. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.